engine management, GT radial, Travis Reeder, Motorsports, BMW. It is Travis Reeder.
What's up guys, Travis Reeder here. We are at round 5 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship at St. Louis. We're not here to talk about that. We're gonna recap you guys on Formula Drift New Jersey from a few weeks ago, where me and the team got our very first Formula Drift Pro podium. And not only was it just a podium, but we won the whole damn event. So just a quick reflection on that. It was super killer. That track our car is insanely good at, and we worked all weekend trying to get the car easy to drive, but also fast. And yeah, man, so this car is just really easy to run. You know, the link engine management, it's just like, makes everything very user-friendly and carefree, you know? So we pull all the data off of the ECU and the PDM every couple laps, make sure everything's running smoothly and happy, and we might turn it up a little bit here or there, but you know, it's just, the thing's super consistent, super controllable. So we drove our hearts out, worked our way all the way through a couple one more times in the 32 and the 16, went through to the 8, beat my boy Chelsea in the 4, and then got it done in the finals against Rome. So it was overall a killer weekend, and the car ran amazing, and we're just trying to do a quick repeat here at St. Louis. And yeah, thanks guys for all the support. Appreciate it.